Yes. Now, question number 26. As it is the string, as string s equals to 5, double quotes, means it is the value of the string s, 5, with 5. So now what we are displaying? S, matlab ki FIVE 5. Okay. Then plus 3 plus 2. So first if we are having 5 as the string, so it will display. Then after that this plus sign will be worked as the concatenation. So 5, 3, 2. This is your output. Then in the next line, it will show you 5. Okay. Then bracket is there, no? So inside the bracket, this plus symbol will perform the addition operator and then concatenate. So 5, FIVE 5, and then number 5. Okay. Then here 27, question number 27. String as today's test. Println as dot index of capital T. You have to tell the index of capital T. It is 0, not 1. Okay, 0. So capital T index is 0. So it will give you 0. Then in the next line, because ln is there, in the next line it's going to display. First of all, see that space is there, or you can consider it as the space. S dot substring 07. So what is the S? Then you have to find out 0 to 7, means excluding 7, means 0 to 6. So 0 is T, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 till I. Till I. Okay. Then in this, here it's going to show you today I, then space, I will be small, then space, and then after that holiday as it is. It will be the output of second system dot out dot println. Today space I space holiday. Then question number 28. Yes, it is important. Why it is important? Because here we have used this predefined method of the wrapper class. Wrapper class is integer wrapper class over here. This integer is the wrapper class. This and integer is the wrapper class. Okay. So this integer is the wrapper class now. And the parse int is the method to convert the given string into the integer. Okay, parse int, as its name shows, parse means convert. Convert into integer. किसको करना है? A को. A is what? A is in the double quotes 26. Okay, so as a string 26, this is the number, but given in the double quotes, no, it means it will be considered as the string. So string A means 26, right? So this 26 will be converted into the integer. So integer का 26 हो जाएगा वो. Okay, then here also integer का 100 हो जाएगा. Okay, things will be same, but the data type will be different. Now look at here. If here A plus B we are writing plus 200. So A is what? 26 before conversion. 100 is what? B की value. तो 26, because ये string है, तो यहाँ पे नंबर ऐड नहीं होंगे, यहाँ पे नंबर कॉन्केटिनेट होंगे. इट मीन्स D के अंदर क्या स्टोर हो जाएगा? It means in the D it's going to be stored 26, 100, 200, right? It's going to be stored 26, 100, 200, because each and everything is string. So with the plus sign, string will be concatenated. Okay, but here x is integer 26, y is integer 26. So here it will be converted into 26 plus 100. It is 126. Okay, so it is your 126. Now the result. See, in the system.out.println, what is written, this text is written. So that is also going to be displayed. If you are giving only the values of small d or the capital D, then it will be wrong answer. So result capital D is what? 26, 100, 200. So this will your output for the first system.out.println, and the second output result 2 result 2 equals to, in small d, 126. This is the output. Understood the use of parseInt? First of all, seal. Seal is what? Always return the greater. Greater integer means double में ही return करता है but. Okay. So seal will give the higher value. What is the minus 7.7? So 7.7 अगर higher value consider करेंगे तो it will give you 8.0. But it is what? Minus. तो उल्टा चलेगा ना number line के according. So it will give you minus 7.0. This is the seal. Every time you have to keep remember about this minus sign. Then the floor. If it would be 7.0, then floor is going to give you 7.0. But it is minus. So again it will give you minus 8.0. And keep remember 0.0 is compulsory. Now mat.floor x. What is x? 2.5 का floor. Okay, so it will give you 2.0. Okay, here it will give you 2.0. Okay, then 2.5. System.out. This plus is nothing over here. This plus is also typing mistake. ABS. So ABS same value is going to be written because ABS will give you the absolute. Absolute means it will remove the minus sign. It doesn't mean it is removing any point values. No, only the minus sign. So 2.5 as it is. Now double 57.75. So met.seal of the X. So it will give you 58.0. Okay, it will give you 58.0. Clear? Yes. Now mat.rint 17.6. Rint will give you the integer values. Okay, integer values means it will round up, but answer will be 17 only. In integer only it's going to be written. In integer. Seal, again seal will give you higher integer, but because it is the minus sign, so higher integer will be minus 7.0. Okay, then absolute. Okay, we'll do it afterwards. Minus 17.16 minimum. What will be the minimum for that? Not minus 16, minus 19 because it is in minus. Okay, then again floor, same output, 7.0. 7.0. And I'll show you the demo of this rint. R int 17.6. So nearest integer because after the 0.5 no to 6 is there, 0.6 is there. So it will be 18.0. Okay. And if you are working here, which one? R int ABS. It is, what should we consider for that? B is minus 15.6. Yes. Now absolute will give you minus 15.6. Then R int for that. So it is going to return 16. Yes, 16.0. Yes, it's going to return you 16.0.